Tyler Saltsman, co-founder and CEO of EdgeRunner AI, is joining me now to talk more about this. Good morning, Tyler.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. It's great to have you on the show. Now, EdgeRunner AI recently closed a $5.5 million seed round, right? So what are the key factors that really helped you secure this funding, and how does it position the company for growth long term?
You know, I'd say the number one factor is our team. We have an amazing engineering and science team coming from Stability AI as well as Ledger AI. And also my background being a military officer, as well as my co-founder, Colton, formerly working for the House Speaker Paul Ryan.
Now, what inspired the partnership with Intel, and how did this collaboration come to fruition?
Yeah, it started when I was at Stability AI, and we were training Stable Diffusion, and the vision was to give the world an alternative to NVIDIA's CUDA. This is sort of the successor of that vision of wanting to train on different backends like XLA, but really it's compressing these models so they can live on your device. That way, you're no longer having to use something like OpenAI's ChatGPT, where they can see your data, and it requires internet connection. So we're solving for both of those. No more internet connection, no more moving your data, and then super personalized, meaning occupation specific.
And EdgeRunner Athena focuses on device AI agents, right? So why is on-device processing so crucial compared to cloud-based solutions, specifically for enterprise and defense applications?
I think the best way to use AI is, rather than moving your data to them, you bring the AI to you. And what that means is, rather than having to use, again, like OpenAI or Anthropic, where you have to move your data to them, when you have the agents on your device, they're personalized and they're working for you, and no one can see your data. Moreover, it's also much more cost effective and less energy intensive now that it's on your laptop or your cell phone, rather than having to use the web.
And Athena was originally developed for military use. How did the transition from defense to enterprise applications shape the development of the platform?
You know, we're still laser focused on the military, but of course, once you can solve for the military's problems, these agents that are bespoke and occupation specific can easily be retrofitted to accommodate an enterprise. So for example, let's say we have an Army logistics agent. That agent can also serve a FedEx, a UPS, or an Amazon.
Personalized AI agents with natural language processing similar to human conversation are a standout feature of Athena. How does this technology enhance user experience and productivity overall?
Yeah, so think of it as like a ChatGPT, a better, more personalized version to you. But again, it never needs the internet. So imagine something like ChatGPT that's very specific to you and your role and what you need to do. So for example, if I ask ChatGPT how to do Army logistics, it's only going to have a very broad scope. But with this, we're building it very bespoke to who you are, and I'd say that's what it's all about is the better customer journey, the better experience, and more importantly, augmenting who you are. And again, making it personalized.
Now, looking beyond the Intel partnership, what's your vision for EdgeRunner AI in the next 3 to 5 years, and how do you see the role of personalized AI evolving?
You know, the vision is, we become the standard for all agents on device. What I love about Intel, again, is their latest Lunar Lake architecture chip that they unveiled at CES, but they're coming out with more like Arrow Lake and others. What I like about Intel is they just keep pushing the pace of innovation. And of course, they dominate the PC market, about 75% of it between HP, Lenovo, and Dell. So Intel is great for distribution, but also their technology is phenomenal for on-device agents.
And quickly, tell me what your key focus area is then in 2025 to achieve this goal.
You know, I'd say our science team is going to keep leaning in with Intel's OpenVINO's toolkit. Think of that as sort of like NVIDIA's or Intel's CUDA. Basically, Intel has OpenVINO where that allows us to optimize. That's the software layer on the chip for us to optimize these models to use them more effectively. So I would say that's the biggest focus right now, is ensuring our models live there and live there well.
Well, thank you again for joining us on the show, Tyler Saltsman, co-founder and CEO of EdgeRunner AI.
Thank you.